Stop wasting time and money on marketing that doesn't bring results. I know how frustrating it is when you're posting and updating and even paying for ads. But instead of steady clients, you're left wondering if your business will ever take off. The problem isn't your effort, it's your brand positioning that isn't clear. And when that's missing, no matter how much you do, the results just don't show up. And that's why I created the Position Strong Reset, built around my No More Wasted Marketing workbook. It's a simple step-by-step process to finally get clarity, attract perfect clients, and stop second-guessing your marketing. And to make sure you're ready for what's ahead, I've compiled new insights and fresh strategies, especially around AI and brand positioning for 2026. I'll be teaching them in a live brand reset workshop where you'll also have the chance to get your questions answered directly by me. But act fast, enrollment closes Friday, October 24th at noon Pacific time. Below, you have 3 levels of support to choose from, and every option includes your exclusive ticket to the live brand reset workshop in October. Click below to join us and finally move ahead and move forward with clarity and confidence.